Hello everyone, welcome to Fluttercrack YouTube channel. And in this video, we will solve a easy playground problem and see how to use Flutter Playground. So let's go to the playground uh, component and we select the first center tile card problem. So if you are new to Fluttercrack, I would like to give you a small introduction about what it is. This website is about you starting out with Flutter and learning how to write Flutter code. So if you are starting out or you are practicing for your interviews, we have um, ways for you to prepare accordingly. If you are starting out, you can go to our playground and you can write some problems. You can see the problem. You can write the problem one by step by step. The AI will guide you each step, each code at a time, and then you will be completing that step. Also, you can go to the Learn section where you can see courses which are there, which are free, and this are text-based courses. So if you don't like to stick around to the videos and you don't have time, you don't like to watch videos, long videos, here we have text-based courses which you can go through and you can learn Flutter. Okay. And for interviewers who are going for interview, they can go to our practice test session and they can select the types of question and types of topics they want to select. They want to give test and then they can give test and they can have the chance to appear on our leaderboard. So let's go to the playground and let's start off with the centered profile card problem. Here, what we'll try to do is we will try to see how to work with Playground or how to use Playground. Okay, so when we click on the continue start practice, it will give us this page where we have our file structure, we have our AI instructor, and we have our editor, right? Let's go to the progress section and see what are the steps that we have to complete in order to complete the whole problem. Okay, so let's go to the instruction. So it says create a simple profile card with an image, name, and a short bio, all centered on the screen. The image should be circular and above the text. Use basic layout like column, center, circle, and text. Okay, that's good. Let's see what is the first uh, step. It says create a new Flutter project, open an existing one, and replace the body of the scaffold with a center widget. Okay. Okay. According to the question, let's do it. So if you want to make it full screen, you can also use this full screen button to make your coding area bigger. Let's write the first line of code. Okay. So it says to replace the body of the scaffold with a center widget. So we will do that. If you see here, we already have a center widget. So I will just remove the column out from here. Okay. And then we check the step. It says it's great. The body of the scaffold is correctly replaced. So we are on the next step. It says inside the center widget, add a column to arrange the profile element. Okay, fine. Let's add a column then. Center should have a child, and then child should have a column. Column. Let's add the brackets. Okay, let's check the step. Okay. So now it says set main axis alignment to center so that all the items can be centered. Fine, let's do that. Let's write main axis alignment should be main axis alignment dot center. Fine, all good. Let's check the step. Okay, so we have small spelling mistake. Let's see what we have done here. Let's update the code and remove the bottom. Okay, all good now. Okay, now it says add a circle avatar widget inside the column to display the profile picture. All good. Let's add a circle avatar. Avatar. Okay, let's do that. Let's check the step. Okay, it says we want to show a background image and this should be the uh, image, right? So let's use the radius. So let's give it a radius of 50 and then let's take the background image and paste it. So what it does, it adds the network image to the background image. Fine. Okay, let's click on check. Okay, so we have something, the circle needs to be inside children, right? We are wrong here. What happens is that a column should have children, right? So let's add the children and then we add a comma and then we add the circle avatar. Oh, okay, we are good. Now it says to add a sized box, right? So let's add a sized box. What it does, it adds a specific size of padding, or you can say empty space, which what is the empty space height would be? It is height is 16. So let's add the height, and that's 16. Okay, let's do that. Let's check it. Okay. Add a text widget for the profile name below the text size box. Okay. Okay, let's do that. Let's add a text and let's write something. So let's write my name, the marker, and then let's save it. Okay, all good. Add another size box of size 8. Okay, let's add a sized box. Let's add it. Now it says the height should be 8 and not 16. So let's change it and let's check the step. Okay, it says now the next step is to add another text for the profile bio below the second text box, fine size box. So let's add a bio here and then check the step. Okay, it says you are on the right track. You need to add a text widget for the bio centered text using alignment center. Okay, also add instruction. Also, the instruction asks you to add bio below the second size box. Okay, fine. Let's take this up because they say we have to add a text alignment dot center. Okay, so let's last it says to check whether we have completed everything correctly or not. All the brackets are properly written. Let's check the step. And it's complete. Congratulations, you have completed the entire problem. So it's a simple way to learn how to code in Flutter. It will give you constructive feedback using AI and you will be able to write the code. Now, let's see what we have written. Let's copy this and open this up in Dartpad. So let's open dartpad.dev and then paste our code, paste it, and then we run. And let's see the output. Okay, so it says Flutter demo page. We have the circle avatar, we have the name, and then we have a short bio. And that's what the problem wanted to teach. The problem wanted to teach us. So we are good. Okay, so this is the end of the video. Let's conclude this video, and I will meet you guys in the next one. Thanks.